टूटे हुए सपनों की सुने कौन सिसकी, पलकों को चीर व्यथा अंतर में ठिठकी। हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता।
जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं है पत्थर है, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। आदरणीय चीफ ट्रस्टी महोदय, प्रबंधक महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, प्रतिपालक महोदय, शिक्षक समूह एवं कर्मचारी वर्ग, सर्वप्रथम मैं आज आप सभी को इस विद्यालय प्रांगण से इस स्वर्णिम दिवस की प्रातः बेला में 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूं। आज का दिन हम सभी लोगों के लिए एक स्वर्णिम व यादगार दिन है। हमारे देश के अनेक महापुरुषों, क्रांतिकारियों ने इस दिन के प्रकाश के लिए अपने जीवन को बलिदान कर दिया। हमारा देश उन्हीं बलिदानियों के बलिदान के फलस्वरूप आज इस आजादी के वातावरण में सांस लेने हेतु उन सभी क्रांतिकारियों, देशभक्त बलिदानियों को याद करते हुए और इस तिरंगे के लिए, इसकी शान, बान, आन के लिए अपनी जान कुर्बान करने वाले उन देशभक्तों को कोटि कोटि नमन करता हूं। यदि मनुष्य की भावनाएं और कार्य श्रेष्ठ हों तो जीवन का कोई भी कार्य ऐसा नहीं होता जो वह सफल न हो सके। उन्हीं महापुरुषों और क्रांतिकारियों के इस विचार फलस्वरूप हमारा देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को आजाद हुआ। हमारा संविधान 26 नवंबर 1949 को ही बनकर तैयार हो गया था, लेकिन हमारे लाहौर कांग्रेस अधिवेशन 1929 में 26 जनवरी को स्वराज का दिन बनाने का निश्चय लिया गया था। इसी कारण से 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारा संविधान लागू किया गया। शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले, शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले, वतन पे मरने वालों का यही आखिर निशा होगा, यही आखिर निशा होगा। माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय।
अन्न जहाँ का
हमने खाया,
अन्न जहाँ का
हमने खाया,
अन्न जहाँ का
हमने खाया,
वस्त्र जहाँ के
हमने पहने,
वस्त्र जहाँ के
हमने पहने,
वस्त्र जहाँ के
हमने पहने।
वह है प्यारा,
हमारा
वह है प्यारा,
देश हमारा,
वह है प्यारा।
देश हमारा,
उसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा?
हम करेंगे,
उनकी उसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा?
हम करेंगे,
उसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा?
हम करेंगे।
To all the dignitaries present out here, Honorable Chief Trustee Sir, Mentor Sir, Director Sir, Principal Sir, my fellow colleagues, and all the staff present over here. It's a privilege to me to say something about our nation, and I'm very thankful to you that you have given me a chance. This year, we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. It reminds us the sacred values enshrined in the Constitution of India. It is a day of national pride. Indian Constitution is the largest constitution in the world. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to form. and I'm proud to be a citizen of India, which ensures us various fundamental rights, such as right to equality, freedom, religion, culture, education, privacy, etc. Every citizen plays a key role in the formation of a new nation, a clean, healthy, and prosperous nation. Everyone performing his duty honestly paves the way to form a better neighborhood, a better society, and ultimately a better nation. Just now I remember a few lines that I've read in my childhood. यह जरूरी नहीं कि देश के लिए लहू बहाकर ही हम देशभक्त कहलाएंगे. यह जरूरी नहीं कि देश के लिए लहू बहाकर ही हम देशभक्त कहलाएंगे. अपना कार्य पूरी ईमानदारी से करके भी हम देशभक्त बन सकते हैं. Because no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. It is universal fact that being a duty-bound nation, national rights automatically reach to us. At last, I would like to sing few lines, or I would like to dedicate few lines to our nation. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
Chief Trustee Sir, Mentor Sir, respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, and dear staff members of Ardent Progressive School, Haldwani, Lamachor. A very joyous and vibrant morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to speak on Republic Day. On this auspicious occasion, I appreciate the sincerity and hard work of our teachers who are providing essential and valuable learning through online classes, and regular updates are done through video calling and telecalling. My special mention goes to pre-primary teachers who have come up with flying colors as they have carried all the activities, competitions and celebrations as the preceding years. The diligent teachers have taken one step ahead in educating and guiding the parents too. We are blessed to receive guidance from our management. We have been given assistance time again and again by them in all the respective areas. At the end, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day, and let's pray to overcome the situation of COVID-19 in the coming months. Thank you. Jai Hind.
प्रतिपालक महोदय, प्राचार्य महोदय, सम्मानित समस्त शिक्षिकागण, शिक्षक शिक्षिकागण एवं कर्मचारीगण, आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस के 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. हम सब यहाँ गणतंत्र दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में एकत्रित हुए हैं. हमारे गणतंत्र का निर्माण 26 जनवरी 1950 को हुआ था. इसको बनने में 2 वर्ष 11 माह और 18 दिन का समय लगा था. सबके अधिकारों का रक्षक अपना ये गणतंत्र पर्व है. सबके अधिकारों का रक्षक अपना ये गणतंत्र पर्व है. लोकतंत्र ही मंत्र हमारा, हम सबको इस पर ही गर्व है. लोकतंत्र ही मंत्र हमारा, हम सबको इस पर ही गर्व है.
सुप्रभात. आदरणीय ट्रस्टी सर, प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, मेंटर सर, प्रबंधक सर और यहाँ उपस्थित मेरे सह शिक्षकगण, वे सभी जन, इन सभी को मेरी ओर से 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. मैं कीर्तिका जोशी आप सभी के समक्ष इस गणतंत्र दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में एक हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ. गणतंत्र दिवस का है अवसर, हिस्सा ले इसमें बढ़ चढ़कर, निकाल के मन के सारे डर, बढ़ते चलें जीवन पथ पर. इस पावन दिन ये ध्यान करें, संविधान का सब सम्मान करें. इतने सारे अधिकार जो दे, सदा समर्पित उसको प्राण करें. संविधान ने हर अधिकार दिया, सबका सपना साकार किया। शोषित वर्षों से था भारत, उसको एक नया आकार दिया। लोगों के मन में ना हो भय, इसीलिए सरकार की सीमा तय। अधिकारों से रहे जो वंचित, उसके लिए संविधान है निर्णय। पुरखों ने पुख्ता काम किया, संविधान हमारे नाम किया। चर्चा हर एक धारा पर कर, सुबह से लेकर शाम किया। देश की ऊंची शान करें, तिरंगे का गुणगान करें। राष्ट्र हित में हो जो अनिवार्य, बिना कहे।
Members of the group and my dear children, well, on this occasion of 72nd Republic Day, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Republic Day on behalf of our ardent progressive school family.
गणतंत्र जिसका अर्थ है राज्यों का गण, ऐसा राष्ट्र जिसकी सत्ता जन साधारण में समाहित होती है। इसी व्यवस्था से हमारा राष्ट्र एक ऐसे संविधान के दायरे में आता है जो हमारे राष्ट्र के प्रत्येक नागरिक को उसके मौलिक अधिकार देती है। गणतंत्र दिवस को की पुनः आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं, आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम।
And dear children, I take this opportunity to wish you all on the occasion of our 72nd Republic Day. Let's stand firm in our pledge to make our nation stronger, prosperous and a healthy one. It's my sincere wish that you remain safe and secure.
Most of the things have been really said here very well by all my worthy colleagues, all teachers, those who were here and they spoke or recited. And then our manager, Mr. Tushar Upadhyay, this is one of the, youngest batch perhaps here, sitting in front of me and really guiding the worthy children of this town. Republic Day is the day when we celebrate. This is the day we gave ourselves the Constitution. And we all are governed now by our Constitution, which we gave to ourselves on 26th of this day in 1950. So this is almost 72nd year. Every year we celebrate, rejoice, we meet together, we talk about our progress, we talk about the task which is left for future. So I will not go into the history and straight away come to the topic. Yes, undoubtedly, we have really progressed in many directions, but there are still areas which seriously need our address. Some of you will wonder then how we can really address and these issues which the country is facing today. Yes, you can. We can together. If we are together, if we work hard, if we really dedicate ourselves this day. With this Constitution, with this Republic Day, there are certainly in front of us our duties. So we must see where we are failing. All the speakers, they have already spoken about the progress, but some areas now. This Republic Day is very special thing which is in your mind must be, you must have read for the first time the tri-contingent of our neighbor Bangladesh is also parading today in the Republic Day in Delhi. This is for the first time history has been created. And this young nation, which is younger to us, almost about 25 years, they got independence because of our country and our Jawans and our soldiers, those who gave lives for the independence of Bangladesh. So they are also rejoicing today. This is their 50th year and this is our 72nd Republic Day. So you see how our country has really helped neighbors when they were in need. Not in getting their independence, but fighting with other issues also. Now the second thing, we have really progressed very well in the field of health, education, and of course in the corporate sector also. But yes, we have not been able to provide jobs to the teeming aspirants of this country. You can wonder, how can we really create jobs for them? Yes, we can. Why not? When we are here, we can work here. We should give the best productivity as far as, our teaching and learning is concerned. And if our family members are somewhere else and they are contributing in other areas, they should really, work hard and do further endeavors. And so many things, is to be done in the field of health still. Now almost, there are many states, they have got now their own All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS. Our state is also having now one at Rishikesh. It's almost about 10 years back to start. Every year is the day when we should revisit ourselves, see our shortcomings as a unit, as a school, and also we should celebrate, why not, our successes, which we have really acquired since our start, or this 6th year, and in future also we will keep celebrating like this. Very much. Jai Hind.
To
Jai
one and
Bharat.
all present here, wish you a very happy Republic Day. Today I, Yamini Kanpal, highly privileged to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of Arden Progressive School on this significant event. First and foremost, I would extend my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Chief Trustee Sir, Director Sir, Mentor Sir, to grace the event with their presence. A special thanks to our respected Principal Sir for his constant support and guidance. And I would also like to thanks to all my dear teachers for their immense contribution to make the event successful. And especially the anchors, those who executed the program very nicely, and especially our culture in charge, dance teacher, and art teacher to make this event very nicely and successful. And I would like to thank to all the staff members who contribute their presence and their work for the making the event successful. At the last, I would like to wrap up my words with a beautiful quote. When we express gratitude, we must not forget the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. With this, thank you so much.